guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, do subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notification for new video every single week. Comment down below what you think about this video. If there's any tips or anything that you would like me to share or that you would like to share, let me know on the comment below. Also, I have a mission to get my channel monetized before the end of this year, and I do need your help, guys, to help me get to this point. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, share my videos, comment on my videos, and build some interaction on my videos so everyone will get to see my videos so I can achieve this goal before the end of this year. That is my goal for this year, to get my channel monetized, and that come with me getting 1,000 subscribers and 400,000, is it 4,000 watch time. So please watch my videos to the end, and yeah, build up the interaction, and let's just enjoy the atmosphere. Why not? So if you want to know, if you want to see how I've achieved this look of my eyebrows, there will be a video connecting to this one for you to be able to see how I did my eyebrows. But now I'm moving on to doing my eyelid with eyeshadow. So today I will be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. So I'll be using this palette for my my palette of eyeshadow for my eyelid today. So yeah, carry on watching and I'll show you every step that I take and everything that I do to achieve the look that I'm about to achieve today. So first thing first, I'm going to prime my eyelids. So I usually use my concealer to prime my eyelids. So I use the LA Girl Pro concealer, and this is in the shade Almond. This is 2 shades lighter than my color, and that is what I like to use to prime my eyelid. So that's my eyelid all primed. So now I'm going to go in with the color, that color, and I'm going to use this on my crease area. Just gonna go on it, keep going on it back and forth. Just gonna keep going on it back and forth on my crease area. So I'm actually using this brush from Damesa. So I bought the brush from the auction site. I don't know what brand this is, but it's nice, it's fluffy, and it works for me. So whatever brush works for you, just go with it. But yeah, I'm just gonna use that on my crease area. So after I've done that, guys, I'm going to go in with this color. Unfortunately, the colors are not named on this palette, but yeah, I'm just gonna go in with this color, if you can see. So this is the palette, and I'm just gonna go in with this color. And I'm just gonna do exactly the same thing that I've done previously on my crease area again. So now I'm going to be going in with this color called the Mocha. This color. If you can see that, guys, I'm going to be going in with this color. And I'm just going to concentrate more on my bottom side, so I can darken it up a bit more. So I'm just going to go in there and just concentrate more on that side. And now I'm gonna go into my crease area a little bit. So now, guys, I'm gonna go in with my so I'm gonna go in with this angled, not angled, but really tiny brush. And then I'm going to go in with my concealer, and this is the same. This is LA Girl Pro concealer, and this is in color Almond. So this shade is 2 shades lighter than my usual color, so I'm going to use that and just go into my crease with that. And as you can also see, I'm not going to go in fully into my crease. So I'm not going to do the whole of the crease. So I'm just going to do just a bit more than half of it and save the other bit, because I want that color that I have put down there to also pop out. So this is what it looks like after I've gone in with my concealer. So after that is done, guys, this is the result with my concealer done on my crease. So after that is done, guys, I've got a different brush now, and I'm gonna go in with this color. You can see the palette. I'm gonna go in with this color now. So I'm just literally using the color to go over where I have put my concealer. I'm going to go in with this rose gold color. That one. I'm gonna go in with this rose gold color. So now I'm going to go in with this color, with this shade. I'm gonna go in with this shade and just apply it on the top of this one. So now I'm going to go back in with this one and just put it at the bottom of here, just to make it a little bit darker. So I'm gonna go back in with that again. Just softly blend it in. And if you can see, I've changed my brush, and this was the first brush that I used to start off with. So I'm going to do the same here. And I'm going to go in with this color again, just to give it that little bit of dark shade as well. And the last but not the least, I'm going to go back in with this light color, just to give this bit a little bit of light again. So I'm going to go in with this white, a little. To finish off, I'm just going to blend everything in properly. Blend. So now I'm just going to put my wing liner. Hi guys, and welcome back. Sorry for my battery went off and I had to finish up my makeup off camera while I charge my battery. I've just got a bit of battery now, and I'm just gonna show you guys the after look of my makeup today. So I think the most important thing today for this video is the eyelid with the eyeshadows. So yeah. you have enjoyed this video today so far. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notification for more videos every single week. Have a great week, guys. See you later. Bye.